Ngibingelele umuntu wesifazane namhlanje ekseni kuyinyanga yabantu besifazane. Namhlanje ngithanda sibheke omunye umuntu wesifazane otholakala in the book of Luke chapter 13 wakhona. Lithi iBhayibheli, there was this woman, she was crippled, wayephila bent over because there was a deformity in her spinal cord. Ngamanye amagama, she could not stand straight, but wayehamba njalo ebheke phansi ngenxa yokuthi she had deformity in her spinal cord. Spinal cord sakhe sasimphoqa ukuthi noma efuna ukubheka phezulu engakwazi ukumaqonde, noma efuna ukuhamba ebheke phambili engakwazi ukubheka phambili ngenxa yokuthi her spinal cord had a problem. So kwakumphoqa njalo mayehamba ebheka phansi, into wayibona wayengayiboni into ephambili, wayengayiboni into enhle phambili, wayengayiboni into ephezulu, but she could see only the dirt in her feet. Wayibona kuphela i-dust on her feet, wayibona yonke into i-negative engayiboni ngendlela positive. Noma ekhuluma wayekhuluma ngokucabanga kuphelela phansi because wayenjalo ehlala ebheke phansi, noma ebheka izinto wayengayiboni izinto ngehle libanzi ngenxa yokuthi her spinal cord had a deformity. Wayemphoqa ukuthi ahambe egobile noma ezinto ezizwa zingaphambi kwakhe, but wayengayiboni ngenxa ye deformity yakhe. Lithi iBhayibheli wafika esinagogeni kuyisabatha because baningi abantu besifazane these days abaphila benenkinga, be-deformed, bengakwazi ukuthi bebheke izinto phambili. Baningi abahamba bephila impilo of hopelessness, abaphila bengenalo ithemba ngenxa yokuthi abakwazi ukuthi beqonde even in their soul, but they are disabled, they are crippled emoyeni wabo, noma bebheka izinto bayibheka with a negative eye because they are crippled even in their minds, even in their spirit, even in their soul. Noma bebuka izinto abanalo ithemba ngezinto ezikhona because they are crippled emoyeni wabo. Lithi iBhayibheli, this woman came into the synagogue. Ngesikhathi efika esinagogeni wafica uJesu efundisa. Abantu besifazane uma ufunde emlando kwisinagogue babengahlali phakathi nesinagogue, but babeba emakhoneni behlale lapha bezolalela ukuthi kuthiwani. Lithi iBhayibheli, ngesikhathi uJesu efundisa in the synagogue, she called this woman into the center stage of the synagogue. Ngoba uJesu will call you into the center stage. Ngifuna ukuthi namhlanje as you start this day, I want to inform you that Jesus want to call you into the center stage. Uzokubizela in the center stage ezintweni ozozenza, uzokubizela into the center stage kwizinto oyicabangayo noyifisakho noyifunayo. Jesus called this woman into the center stage, wazommeka kwi-platform, bonke abantu bambona noma kade kwi-sideline, but Jesus called her weza a-stage. And lithi iBhayibheli uJesu wamthinta lo wesifazane and immediately, instantly after ethinta uJesu kwaphela i-crippledness yakhe. Ngifuna ukuthi ekseni Jesus will cripple your crippledness, ngoba uJesu ubonile ukukhathazeka kwakho, ubonile ukuba crippledness kwakho sewukhale for too long, sewuhlupheke for too long, but Jesus has seen your crippledness. That is why ngithi namhlanje uJesu want to cripple your crippledness. Ufuna ukuzothinta lezinto ezikhalisayo, ufuna ukuzothinta lezinto ezikuhlukumezayo, ufuna ukuzothinta lezinto esezikhalise iminyaka emide, ezothinta lezinto esezikuhlupha isikhathi eside. Othi mawucabanga ngazo kuvele kuphela ithemba, othi mawucabanga ngazo kuvele kugcwala usizi enhlizweni. Ngifuna ukuthi mina, woman of courage, woman of power, vessel of honor, woman of faith, it is time that uJesu akrippulishe your crippledness. Ngoba uJesu ufuna ukuzothinta lezinto ezikuhlukumezayo, ngoba wena you are more than a conqueror, you are more than what you think you are, and you are the daughter of God, you are the heir of the kingdom, you are the kingdom citizen, and the kingdom citizen don't suffer, ngoba they are walking in the grace of the Lord. Lithi iBhayibheli, his mercies are new every day. And lithi iBhayibheli, if God is for us, who can be against us? And there is no weapon that is formed against you, women of God, that shall prosper. Akukho kwenziwe okuyonqoba wena, ayikho into usathane akayenzile ezokwahlula, because you are going with the Most High God. There is a great God in you, so you are destined for great things. You have the power of God in you, so you are destined for powerful things. KunoNkulunkulu namandla kuwena, na unamandla. The God in you is undefeatable, so you are undefeatable. The God in you is unstoppable, so you are unstoppable. Ayikho into that can stop you, because you have a God that is unstoppable. Ayikho into that can pull you down, because you have a great God in you. You have a supernatural God in you. uNkulunkulu wadala umhlaba nezulu